I still remember my first day at school. It was a very special and important day in my life. I was a small child, and I did not know what to expect. I was excited, but I was also a little scared. Everything was new for me. In the morning, my mother woke me up early. She helped me get ready. I wore my new school uniform. It was clean and neat. I also had a small backpack with books, pencils, and a lunchbox. My father took pictures of me. I smiled, but deep inside I felt a little nervous. My parents walked with me to school. On the way, they told me not to worry. They said school is a fun place where I will learn new things and make new friends. That made me feel a little better. When we reached the school, there were many other children with their parents. Some were crying, some were laughing, and some were very quiet, just like me. When we entered the school gate, a teacher smiled at me and said, "Welcome to school." She was kind and friendly. She took me to my classroom. The room was full of colors. There were pictures on the walls, small chairs, and a big board. I sat on a small chair and looked around. At first, I didn't talk much. I was shy, but slowly, I started to feel more comfortable. The teacher told us her name and asked our names too. She played a fun game with us. I liked her voice and her smile. We sang songs, learned the alphabet, and drew pictures. At break time, I opened my lunchbox. I had a sandwich and some juice. A boy next to me smiled and said, "Hi, what's your name?" I told him my name, and we started talking. He became my first friend at school. We played together during the break, and I was very happy. After break, we went back to class. We learned some numbers and listened to a story. I liked the story very much. The day went by quickly. When it was time to go home, my parents came to pick me up. I ran to them and told them all about my day. They were happy that I enjoyed it. I told them about my teacher, my classroom, and my new friend. I was tired, but I was smiling. I was no longer scared. I knew school was going to be a great place for me. My first day at school taught me that every new beginning can feel scary, but with kindness and courage, it can become a beautiful memory. I will always remember that day.